Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to change Infiniti Q50 trunk struts. First, gather your tools, including a flathead screwdriver and the new trunk struts. Before you start, make sure the trunk is securely propped open to prevent it from falling. Safety is key, so always wear appropriate eye protection. This simple repair can be done at home with basic tools, saving you time and money. Now, let's get to removing the old struts. Locate where the struts connect to the trunk lid and the car body. You'll see small clips at each end. Use your flathead screwdriver to carefully pry these clips open. Once the clips are disengaged, gently pull the old strut away from its attachment points. Be ready to support the trunk if your prop slips. With the old struts out, installing the new ones is straightforward. Start by aligning the new strut with the upper ball joint on the trunk lid. Push it firmly until you hear a click, indicating it's securely in place. Then, repeat this same process for the lower attachment point on the car body. Make sure both ends are fully seated for proper operation and safety. After installing both new struts, it's crucial to perform a few final checks. Carefully open and close the trunk several times to ensure the new struts are working correctly and providing smooth, consistent support. Listen for any unusual noises and confirm the trunk stays open securely. Remember to check the description for a link to darn tough socks and other great deals. Enjoy your fully functional trunk.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.